Well, today seems like a stupid idea to start a behind the scenes for my vintage furniture business, as you can see. And sound, I am not well at all. So bear with me, but sometimes you just got to crack on with these things. So this is my little HQ kind of shop, stroke warehouse, stroke workshop, and it's a bit chaotic. I've been sick the last couple of days, so it's not as curated as I like. We've got stuff that's sold mixed in with stuff that's for sale. We've got new arrivals which need work, as you can see. This top is a little bit sad, nice bookshelf. So basically everything comes in here and it gets processed, sorted. And so many people love to come and see the space, so I kind of have this miniature shop, but essentially it's one glorified little warehouse. And you'll see there's not a ton here because things move real quick. They all sell on our Instagram, Facebook, or our website. And we have everything from like cool industrial. Actually, I really love this. It's one of my favorite pieces for a while. Some wrought iron. We're always looking for things that are kind of interesting. This was a tricky piece, custom commission from an interior designer. I couldn't get the color quite right, which is a real shame, because I think it's a lovely piece. So had to cancel the order, refund it, but now that's gone on the site. So there's everything from short, quick renovations, stuff that just needs TLC, custom builds, amazing things that are scratch built, so one-offs by people with talent. And then just everything in between, love seating, love decorative items, art. Now, I started with small stuff like this 3 years ago, and now I'm into big stuff, and it's quite hard work, to be honest. It's just me, I do all the admin, I do all the buying, the selling, the photography, the content, the social media, everything you can imagine, even building my desk out of free pallets. But that's kind of the fun of it, isn't it? Like just building, literally, building a business. We've got everything from MCM, one of my friend's products. He does all reclaimed pieces which are really cool, super talented, more talented than I'll ever be. And then we've got cool things like decorative pieces like mirrors. And I'm lucky I have students that I teach, so they often donate stuff, or often people don't want to send stuff to the landfill. So this is a project amongst many projects. I haven't even got to, I've been sick for a few days, so it means nothing's happening. We've got this architectural set of drawers that I'm working on. We've got this cabinet that just needs a little bit more TLC. We've got this piece that's already sold, an antique oak bookcase. We've got a very desirable 1960s table that I'm working on. This piece is being glued. This needs polyurethane. That needs completely reconditioning. That's done, needs to go through to the shop. This piece is done, but this is a student's piece. That one I haven't looked at. This is all sold. And as you move through, we've just got mess everywhere. It's just a nightmare, actually, when you're working on your own. A thrilling business, but actually quite stressful. We've got timber here for some of our projects. I'm in the middle, or have been in the middle of sorting this shop out for a month, but there's been some stuff going on and I just haven't got around to it. You can see it's just a mess. It's horrible. I hate it, because this is where the photography is supposed to be done. And I'm working in amongst this. Haven't quite cracked the dust issues, which is annoying. Another project I haven't got my head around yet. And then my lovely workshop. But this is a pain in my ass at the moment because it's just a mess. I'm always chasing my tail, and to be honest, it's just a lot. We're growing really quickly. There's a lot to do. We do restoration, we do fixes, but this is classically me. If I'm in a rush, I'm not tidying up behind myself. So you can see it's just full on amazing, and I have one pair of hands. So over time, I'm going to get this sorted. I'm hoping in the next few days when I feel better, get it a bit more organized, do more videos in the workshop, so it's kind of interesting, and see renovations and restorations and builds. So that's the space I'm playing in. There's more to do than I can ever get my head around, unfortunately, and I promise in the next video this will be tidy, or kind of. This will be on its way. And yeah, that's what it's like to run a vintage furniture business on your own when you're sick and stuff just got to be done. So join me next time. Hopefully we'll have something a bit more organized to share.